who side them responsible, no, what them something, now how about you hold him, there's a man or Mary accountable? You see, if you go to other, like if you go to Australia, the members of parliament in Australia are lawmakers. In PNG, up until say 1990, members of parliament, or say 1995, were lawmakers. Today, all of us are project managers. So Mipla yet inside the parliament, Mipla changing job description blo Mipla. We changed it. Work blo Mipla am logo na building road na classroom na building bridge na am work blo Mipla. Lawmaking. You Mr. Kam Sinan Loyana. I want the minister to come na am reading law happy na 5 minutes you be passing. Most of us don't even read it. So this like lawmaking and work law said now. Whose job is that? It's basically a job that you miss less lawmaking, but because we have to do it, we are forced to come and do it. I have had 2 prime ministers sit in that chair, including, with respect, the current prime minister. I'm saying, sanab na talk. You bla kisi money bla na go to place na make it work. So there is your charter. Kisi 10 million, 5 million, whatever million, go to place na make it work. No can stop the parliament. You know, in other countries, parliament will sit for 6 months of the year. Mipla, we are struggling to make 35 days in a year. Not even 1 month, Mipla are sit down. If you add all the days, Supreme Court tried to force Mipla lo sina namas 42 days. Force Mipla or 63. And we don't even make the 63. Because Mipla must run go to place na. No got workman lo work in breeze, so remember you must go na work in breeze. No got man lo work in classroom, so remember you go na work in classroom.